Industrial Development Pipeline. Look closely at the workflow shown on this slide. Notice how the process moves from the left to right through a series of connected stages. This is the industrial product development pipeline, and unlike student project, the order matters. Let's walk through each stage. The journey begins with a market need. Everything starts with a problem that needs solving. No market needs mean no reason to develop a product. Next comes requirements. This stage translates customer need into the measurable engineering targets. After requirements comes concept development. This is where engineers generate multiple solution pathways before selecting the most promising direction. Now do we arrive at CAD? CAD is positioned in the middle of this process, not at the beginning. This is a crucial lesson. CAD exists to represent engineering solution, not to discover one. After CAD, engineers perform simulation for a structural analysis, thermal analysis, fatigue analysis, aerodynamic studies. Virtual validation reduces the risk before physical prototypes are built. The next stage is a prototype development. Idea becomes physical products. Testing allows immediately afterward. This is where assumptions meet reality. Data is collected, weaknesses are identified, improvements are implemented, and finally the product enters the production. Notice the statement at the bottom right of the slide. Professional engineers know that skipping any stage dramatically increases the probability of a failure. Many student teams skip requirements. Some skip benchmarking, others skip testing. Every shortcut creates a risk. The strongest engineering organization trust the process because the process protects the product. Now let's examine one of the most common mistakes made by the student engineers, jumping directly into the CAD before understanding the problem they are trying to solve.